Hi everyone, in this video, let's see how to debug Android apps without using any data cable. But for this, you must connect your mobile device to the same network as your PC or laptop. First, let's enter adb space devices command to list attached devices. Currently, not a single device is attached. To start wireless ADB, you need to enter adb space TCP IP space any port number. I am using 5555. Did not get desired output here. The problem is that to start wireless ADB, at least one device must be attached to the system. If you don't have data cable at that time, this feature is useless since you cannot connect your device at first place. So to get a device in this list, we are going to use Android lightweight emulator. Its name is LibAndroid. You can download it from the site. I will share the link in description below. I already installed it. So let's start the emulator. Now let's see if it is attached to the ADB. Here we go, the emulator device in the list. Let's start wireless ADB by same command. Now go to Android device settings and find your IP address. Now our final step is to connect to the IP address by ADB space connect followed by IP address of the device. You can see your device is connected now without any data cable. Now your device is in list. You can easily debug Android apps. Once you finished, you can stop wireless ADB by ADB space kill-server command. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.